a big event for me this summer. 안녕하세요. Here is my quick thank you recap video. Thank you so much for the support and the visit at my booth during the Lone Minnesota J4 tournament. It was great to see old and new folks. I am super grateful for my families and grateful for the event and supporters. Watch out, thank you. So this is weeks before the J4th event. Me and my husband making shelves for my handmade items. I will show you how we use these later. I am super lucky to have my husband. He taught me to sand the wood here, so I try to be helpful. So today is the day before the event, and everyone got work, so it was just me packing my things.
We are here unloading Friday. And we are done with loading. Unloading.
And this was the night before the event. So here's how we are using these little metal rods.
Right now is 7:01 a.m. This is how it looks like without people. Patches, resin bookmarks. There's my husband helping me writing shirts. My handmade shirts. And my soaps. First time at a big event. Decently Crafty LLC. I have an LLC now. Day 2, gate 2. We are all clean.